Howdy. Welcome to Homestead Kitchen Living. Seems like I hear a lot about keto lately. Yeah, the idea is you eat fat so that you can lose the fat in your body. I don't know, but I think the whole idea of low carbs and high protein, that works. So I decided another keto diet. This week I'm doing the Creamy Chicken Casserole. Here, follow me along in this video. I'll show you how I make it. My God, what did you eat? Thanks for watching my video. I hope you enjoyed it. Just remember, when the going gets tough, the tough find something to eat. The best way to do that is to cook it yourself. Homestead Kitchen Living, making cooking fun again. Please remember to like, subscribe, share it with a friend. Thanks again for watching.